Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, KASPA traders. Today we're gonna talk about, is KASPA going to 20 cents? Jomo, what do you think? Is it going there?
Man, I know. People are waiting for us to say Casper is going in 20 cents. There is a possibility. Look, I'm humble enough to admit that, if everything aligns beautifully and perfectly, there is a chance we're gonna go to 20 cents. You know what? Say something about that first, and then I will show my chart because I see your chart is already on. What do you think about this, CM?
Yeah, man. I'm actually in the camp now that KASPA is going to 20 cents. Yeah, man, because I think Bitcoin, there is a chance. There is a chance it's going to new highs. And if Bitcoin will go to new highs, I believe KASPA can go to 20 cents and actually be one of these coins that will have a moment of glory. And go to new highs with Bitcoin. That's what I think. I think most coins will not go to new highs with Bitcoin, but Caspa, I think, is one of them that can go to new highs and also definitely to test the 20 cents mark. But again, we need this to we still need to break above the 200-day. You can see we just consolidating underneath it, so that's a good sign. Very nice move. Maybe gonna retest. Maybe gonna do like a nice bottoming
That would be perfect.
construction here, and then we break, and then man, that could be amazing, and then it could be amazing swing trade into the summer, into May, June, July. Who knows, man? But it could be very, very, very good opportunity for us to make money trading Caspa, printing with Caspa, and when Caspa is pumping, it's the best. It's the money season. The money season.
Yeah, for sure. Man, look, you know what? I would agree on one thing. If now is what we talked about it multiple times, right? We said that Caspa is different in the sense that we believe that when Caspa will go to a new bullish trend, it can go to new highs. We said that multiple times. We said it's one of those rare coins we believe can do that, especially if Bitcoin goes to new all-time highs. All right, we need that to happen. We still need that to happen. But I do agree with you that what you said looks amazing. I'm going to show my chart for just 1 second, and I'm gonna show people what I'm expecting. Okay, now people, you're gonna see this is a technical analysis 101. Very easy to understand. All right, I made 3 lines. The first line, each line is a support and a resistance line. Thank you very much, CM. This is a much better view. Thanks. So first and foremost, you can see that Caspa is it's always almost perfect. One of the most perfect technical analysis coins. You can see that this breakout we took, by the way, we took this breakout on the 8 cents. Okay, you can see it coincided with support levels all the way through November 2023, right on the buzzer. Look at this. Look at this, right on the buzzer. You had here, right? We had the breakout from the 5 cents. This was beautiful. The retest was exactly of the 8 cents. Okay, so you can see that right now what happened lately, we were building below the 8 cents and we took this breakout. Second level that I was looking at is the 10 cents. You can see we broke up. We got rejected initially for 2 days. But again, you can see that how this was, support here, 10 resistance. This was resistance here. In the past, it was support all the way through these levels. So you can see how these technical analysis levels help you make decisions, okay? So it broke to it after a few days and got rejected from the 11 cents. What I would love to see, and what you painted is beautiful. I would love to see this happening, and we'll have a very symmetrical kind of pattern, right? This will be very lopsided type, inverse head and shoulders. I would love this to happen. And if this can squeeze, on the right side with a VCP and then break out, that would be a beautiful add-on to the trade we already have or initiation of a new position, right? So this is another alpha. We love to give our beautiful Caspians, the Caspian army. By the way, like and subscribe right now because we're giving you for the second time alpha when will be a good opportunity to get in if you didn't have to, or to add your position if you had. Last time was here. We made a video last week about this. This time I'm looking at the 11 cents area to initiate the position. Okay, now CM, if this happens beautifully, okay, then we do have very good chances, mainly if Bitcoin goes higher, to make something like this, retest the 20 cents level, and then hopefully we will get a sideways move, a consolidation of a month, maybe two, before we break out to new highs. Because I'm going to say one thing to people. The more you stair step instead of just moonshotting, everyone wants to moonshot CM. They just want to go banana from that. Doesn't work usually. If something goes banana, all right, then it crashes banana as well, all right? It crashes egg. I can go banana, crashes egg. But if it stair steps beautifully within these levels until 20 cents, build a beautiful base sideways and then breaks, squeezes below the 20 cents and then breaks out, that will be the real move that everyone is anticipating, and that will be fantastic. But first and foremost, we need to make sure we crash the 11 cents and go to the 20 cents. I'm still skeptical. I need Bitcoin to work with us, and if it does, boom, I'm seeing what you're seeing, Sim. What do you think?
Yeah, exactly, guys. I think we're going to new highs, and I think Kaspa will print us money. I'm just gonna share our trade in the community
Do
just
that.
to show you guys that we are, we trading it, we're making money with Kaspa consistently. This is the trade by the break above 785 that was posted in the community in April 19th, like 8 days ago. You can see we had two entries on the 7.9-ish area, 7.85, 7.95. Look at the trade. Look at the trade from here. Let me remove the stuff. The members are happy, printing money. All my members are up, max gain almost 40% on the position. If it's going to pull back, like Jomo said, we buy more for another swing. If it's going to consolidate and then break out, we buy more for another swing. So make sure to join our community now, man, because people are printing with us, and you don't want to miss out on the next swing trade on Kaspa, on virtuals, man. Virtuals printing, man, printing. Other names that we're gonna trade like Sui and Turbo. We're looking for pullbacks on these babies. We have many other alpha trades that pumping even more. We took Ray. Ray made us 50% already. Man, this is the time to join the community. You have 20% discount using the writing here. You can see the writing below. You can see here. You put the code, then just put the code in the WAP, join the WAP, boom, and get all our trade alerts, all our market updates. And yeah, guys, that's all you need, man. Join the community. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give us a like, share it on your Twitter, guys. Share, give us some love, and leave a comment. Do you think Kaspa is going above 20 cents? Do you think Kaspa is going to 80 cents? What do you think? We want to hear your comment. See you in the next video. Remember, no edge,
no trade. Cheers, everybody.